Hello, Stevie here, and here are my Etsy shops. If you'd like to go shop or look, um, have fun. And this is my new little saying. Because I always had it backwards. I always hoarded this stuff and then, tried to fix it, and then I was going to sell it. But now I'm going to let more go and try it in the sell, fix, let it go. And then just do it. Let's get off our you-know-whats. I made some, so I was low on ink. And these are the low on ink, last page, next to last page. And then I put the new cartridges in. So, that was fun. But these can be like security envelopes and be colored. They're digital. I just don't have them in my shop yet. Then, what is in my shop, or will be in it soon, I kind of redid these a little. Her fan wasn't right. Her skin wasn't really right. But she was perfect. Beautiful color. So my plan is with these paper dolls is you have the colored ones and you have the black and white ones, or the non-color clothing, so you can change their colors on their clothes. You could even change. Well, I just left the skin and these other things colored because they're the hardest. Skin colors, the hardest. So they can go in a junk journal as a signature page. You could put them in here, like this, and sew them in with your signatures, or just use them as a loose tuck, so somebody could put them, color them, and put them where they want. What I was thinking, even with this one though, you can also, let's see if I can get this without knocking you can put them and make them a bookmark even, if you wanted. You could fold them, because they fold together, and you could glue them together. But my advice on that is be careful with your wet glue, because you could have issues. I glued these 2 pages together of a DigiKit, one of my new ones in my shop, and obviously I put too much, and I think glue stick would have been the best. Maybe sewing around them, and then you could cut them out and use them. I'll still use these. I'll just have to get creative with them, because here's the other pages printed out on regular copy paper. And see, like with these, you could do the same thing. You could use these as the the main side, and you can glue these to the back for a writing side and have little journaling cards. Yeah, because they match up to the same size. So and then also with these DigiKits, I cut this one out, and it's nice. But this is how my printer, for some reason, I'm not sure why, but this is a printer issue, not a DigiKit issue. So just to let you know, some printers are wackadoodle. And those and these ladies, these were just to use up my ink. These ladies, I'm going to put in this journal that I'm going to start. And she's going to have to be cut down, but she'll fit. Just going to cut the extra paper off. And then this one wouldn't necessarily, because she's just going to be kind of an extra. And so she can just be tucked into the journal, or, you know, put with it as an extra page to cover. Now, I wasn't going to do this part, but I will, because this is my next little all the way project. But I'm collecting things. Now I've got the paper dolls to go in there. And I have these things from books and magazines. I think these were from National Geographic here. Yeah. And I'm going to possibly use these in the junk journal. And so yeah, I'm just kind of collecting pages, page papers, ephemera. Oh, what are these? Oh, they're little tiny pictures. And then pretty matching color-ish to the cover page of a book, a floral book, a plant. Let's see if it says. No. But you've got the text pages, and you got the pretty colors, and it can be put in here and cut down to fit. After I get more pages for it. So, here's my goals. Here's my shops. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel, and comment. You can comment and help my algorithm. Bye.